welcome to F&SYamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania. If you're not familiar with us, check us out on our website at F&SYamaha.com, our YouTube channel, F&SYamaha.com, and our Google listing and Facebook listings. We have a great reputation that we're very proud of by people from all over the nation that buy boats from us, and we appreciate it. I'm Andy. I'm the guy here that sells most of the fishing boats, especially if you have technical questions with electronics or whatnot. I'm usually the go-to guy. We do a lot of custom installs with a lot of electronics, whether it be Minnekota, Garmin, power pole, lithium batteries, shallow water anchors, you name it, we do a lot of it. If you can see, check our other YouTube videos out of completed custom boats as an example. But anyway, on to the cool Excel that just arrived. This is a new Excel EX183 bass. Excel is an all-welded aluminum company. This particular boat was made in Tennessee. They're completely welded together, one solid piece, including the floor, one big solid structure aluminum. Yamaha 150 SHO, which is a max horsepower for this boat. It will include a stainless prop. We will determine which one works the best once we water test, because we water test every boat that we sell. It's important to do that because certain things like propping can only be tested in the water. Aluminum trailer, aluminum wheels, swing tongue, composite covered bunks instead of carpet in case you guys are going to the brackish water. Excel logo, that logo lights up at night. Of course, LED lights everywhere. Black color as you see, and this is also the Phantom Blackout package. So with that Phantom Blackout package, almost everything's blacked out, including the logo, fold down cleats, blacked out stainless, jack plate is black. Lots of little things that are blacked out with that package, which is pretty cool. 10-inch Atlas hydraulic jack plate. With these 150s on these boats, I usually do 10-inch. They'll perform better with that. It's important to do a jack plate with these pad haul boats. And what that means with pad haul is underneath the boat, there's a pad that's about 12 inches wide and about 2 feet long front to back. The idea is that when the boat's going fast and the motor trimmed out, the only thing in the water is the pad. It makes the boat go faster and ride better because not much of the boat's in the water. This was invented many years ago in the fiberglass bass boat world. And there's only a couple aluminum companies that do it today because it's expensive to make a boat like this, but it definitely performs better. And then along with the aggressive steps here and reverse chine, they'll turn on a dime and are very stable with a 94-inch beam. 21-inch transom, but also take note to the step up at the back of the boat, so less for rougher water not to wash in so quickly. The big solid tie downs in the back, weld on brackets for transducers on both sides. This is also upgraded to stainless ratchet tie downs. That's an upgrade. 30-gallon fuel tank. C-Star hydraulic steering, that's another upgrade with this boat. Aqua traction flooring throughout. As you see, it's on front and rear decks and down the cockpit as well, everywhere. Big, tall, deluxe seats. These Millennium mesh seats, 2 fold-down ones, are standard. Or if you want to swap out to a butt seat, that's no problem too. Whatever you'd rather do, but they come standard with these Millennium fold-downs. Another upgrade with this boat, I got the lights package in blue. So on both sides underneath the gunnels, there is LED strip lighting that runs front to back. Most of the compartments also have that blue light, and also too, there are lights down here in the cockpit. You see 3 of them there, all part of that lights kit. This one I ordered without trolling motor and without fish finder, but we can do whatever you like. We do a lot of custom installs, like I mentioned earlier. Big blank gauge there. We do whatever you prefer for upgrades. 4-person capacity. And here's cooler, trash can, middle storage. Take note to the shock assist on the middle storage there. More storage on the right side. Something they're doing cool with this model is That tube right here runs to the front to make it easy to install a live scope box. Pretty neat. Aqua traction flooring down in the compartments as well. Retractable rod straps are standard. 6-gauge trolling motor wiring. You see the switches up here for trim for the big motor, nav lights, and for 12-volt, whatever you want to plug in there. Foot pedal tray is welded structure into the boat, and that's a cover that comes off. It just comes standard with that cover. USB plug here, and also two on the other side there at the console. Take note that these things are really put together. Solid structure. Spray-on liner throughout. This is similar to a truck bed liner. The idea is it makes the boat more durable, doesn't scratch as easy, and also too keeps the temperature down. Even this black boat's been out in the sunlight for several hours, and I can easily put my hand and forearm on it. That texture doesn't get real hot. Storage throughout, of course, between the seats, underneath. Tack, fuel gauge. There's also upgrade to wet sound stereo system with 8-inch speakers. Look at the size of those speakers. Dual blinker trim for the jack plate and also trim, and also hot foot throttle with slider. All your switches. Also upgraded to the live well, has a recirc pump, standard aerator switch, courtesy light we talked about, bilge, nav lights and horn, and all these are breakers for each one. Live well behind the seats. Tackle storage on the rear deck on both sides. 30-gallon fuel tank is in the back compartment here. This is shocks, 2 shock assists on the big door. Plenty of room back here for batteries and whatever we're up to there with pumps, shallow water anchors or whatnot. Man on off switch of the boat is standard. We also welcome special orders. Whether you have questions on this boat or any other boat, feel free to contact us with any questions. You'll see our contact information at the bottom of the screen. And also check us out at our website at F&SYamaha.com. We sell many other express boats, bass boats, bay boats, duck boats, Bennington pontoons, Swicker Craft V-bottoms, a lot of used boats. I mentioned our service and our reputation. We're just very particular in going through the boats as good as possible. And we also go with many customers to the water to show you how to use your boat. Whether you're picking up here at the shop or we're meeting somewhere throughout the nation, which we do a lot of that as well. We'd be glad to go to the waterway to show you how. Appreciate watching. If you don't mind, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us. And check us out at our website, F&SYamaha.com. Have a good day.